special method that I want to show you, and this one is called a string method. And this is useful because it allows you to redefine the description of the object. What description are we talking about? I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff, or I'm just going to comment it out. Okay, so we just have, when I run this, the creation of a white car with 4 wheels. If I print my car just like that, so I'm printing the object, not a property of the object. I'm printing the object itself. Okay, see what it tells me? It says, in my main program, that's what that means, I have an object called CL car, or a type of object, CL car. That's the memory location. We don't really worry about that right now for this class. We'll get into that later. But that is not a super friendly way of printing. So if I want a friendlier description of that object, I can use the string method. And the string method is just a better way of describing that. And you may use some of the properties there. And I'm going to have to use self.stringColor, self.endWheels. Okay, so I have that string method. Now when I run this, the printing of that object will print that description of the object, which is useful if I have a whole bunch of those. I might want to use that description. Notice that it's not printing it, it's returning that value. So that's a return something function. You can print something, but it wants a return value there for it to be a valid function. So the string method just updates the object description.